Okay, it's Ian Johnson here, and today we're going to be reviewing this mini coffee maker made by Salton, paired with the eAnt power bank, which can jumpstart a battery. It's also an inverter up to 400 watts, has two plugs, the cigarette lighter plug and two USB chargers, and it is also has an air compressor on the back and a work light and a flashlight, and also it has a 5-watt solar panel to charge it. Alright, reason I bought this to go with it is so I can have coffee if we're camping or if the power's out, because this is only 350 watts. Let's see how she goes. Plug her in. And also this has a reusable filter, which is pretty awesome. So let's put our favorite Folgers coffee in. About 2 tablespoons for the mug that actually came with a mug. So that's pretty cool. %. Probably shouldn't have turned it on till I was really about to press start, but that's okay. Alright, let's see, gonna set a timer here, see how long it takes to brew. Try to make that level. Sun-powered coffee, that's pretty awesome. Lights on, a little over the max line, but hey, that's the mug that came with it. And in the meantime, we're going to read a psalm. We'll go with Psalm 23. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of mine enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want anything. Amen. About halfway brewed there, I see. Starting to smell like fresh coffee. That is awesome. What else do we have here in the Book of Life? Ecclesiastes 3. To everything there is a season. And a time to every purpose under the heaven. A time to be born and a time to die. A time to plant and a time to pluck up that which is planted. A time to kill and a time to heal. A time to break down and a time to build up. A time to weep and a time to laugh. A time to mourn and a time to dance. A time to cast away stones and a time to gather stones together. A time to embrace and a time to refrain from embracing. A time to get and a time to lose. A time to keep and a time to cast away. A time to rend and a time to sow. A time to keep silence and a time to speak. A time to love and a time to hate. A time of war and a time of peace. What profit hath he that worketh in that wherein What profit hath he that worketh in that wherein he laboureth? I have seen all travail which God hath given to the sons of men to be exercised in it. The wisest man to ever live on the earth is where these words came from. His name was Solomon, son of King David. Looks like we're brewed almost all the way. Battery's at, well, it shows lower when it's when energy is being drawn from it. This is the second time I've used this machine. But the first time I brewed coffee on this, it only used about 5%, which is not too bad. Definitely can brew a lot of coffee from here and recharge some batteries, things like that if we have no power. Ooh, coffee's ready. Let's try it out. She's all done. Yeah, I think so. All right. Let's test it out. Cheers. Oh yeah. That is some good coffee. Oh, darn cats. Look at these cats. Just fighting with each other. They used to be outdoor cats and they kept getting fleas. So now they stay inside. You can give them the treatments, and my cat, that white one there, Jessie, just wants to roll around in the dirt and get fleas again. So now they're indoor cats, and That's that. Jessie and Knuckles. Two girls that, well, they like to fight, but they love each other too. And yeah, as far as the coffee maker there, give that coffee maker 10 out of 10. Still working on time too. Hopefully I can use it 100 more times. And let's see. Okay, well, that battery's going back up. Let's see. I'm going to turn this off now. Yeah, so that was at, I'm not sure if I showed at the start, 92 maybe. So I used about 7%, if I can do math. Alright. See you guys later. Until the next review, maybe I'll review this whole machine, because it's pretty awesome. I haven't used the air compressor or the jumper cables yet. Have a good day, and God bless.